All right, from food to crypto, let's head over to the Bahamas. That's where we find our cryptocurrency reporter, David Hollerith, who is running point for us at a key crypto conference. David.
Brian, it's day 3, Thursday of the Crypto Bahamas conference. And it's generally a mingling of crypto native firms and Wall Street firms looking to get in on the action. I think some highlights I've seen is yesterday on a panel with Galaxy Digital's Mike Novogratz. We saw Kathy Wood sort of hit on this topic that keeps coming up and doesn't necessarily have anything to do directly with the conference, which is the conversation of Twitter and what Elon Musk could potentially do with Twitter. He's talked about, seeking to democratize the platform more. We're not sure what that means exactly. But many in the crypto community are at least hoping or potentially thinking with Twitter's verification system, and it has adopted sort of payment rails to allow accepting and transactions for cryptocurrency. Wood was sort of expressing, her usual bullishness on Bitcoin as a means to be used as a payments rail through Twitter. So we're not necessarily sure how that looks. Anthony Scaramucci, the CEO and founder of Skybridge Capital, also sort of hit on the same topic. And he even suggested during a press conference that someone like Sam Bankman-Fried, CEO and founder of FTX Exchange, might be somewhere in the ring for financing or working with Musk. But most of that still remains hearsay at this point.
So that's sort of the goss that's happening there, the sideline goss, I guess, in terms of the off-topic stuff. What about sort of the mega trends that you're teasing out from the conversations there?
Yeah, so Julie, there's always this conversation that goes on around the crypto sector, which is sort of where is institutional adoption? At the beginning of the conference, I heard things, Sam Bankman-Fried had actually said, it's sort of this trickling of large institutional firms looking to get involved, still facing regulatory and compliance issues, So they're typically looking at crypto native firms to sort of allocate equity to them and let them sort of run free, which is an interesting development. But apart from that, I think I'm also hearing some conversation about people saying, a lot of institutions are interested in crypto and are getting involved, but there's also sort of a realization now as sort of the tide comes out from the bull market we saw at the end of 2021, which is a lot of the crypto sector needs a little bit more utility in terms of projects. And that's sort of an interesting point to point out that, the building that's taking place right now is sort of another thing that a lot of firms are very interested in. DeFi especially has been a big topic. NFTs, not necessarily for the use of profile pictures, but something like real estate assets is a topic I've heard floated a lot. So I think that's sort of the next step that we're waiting for is to see how crypto as an asset class can be put to use beyond how it works now as, a store of value, speculative trading, that sort of thing.
David Hollerith reporting live for us out there in the Bahamas. Enjoy the rest of your day.